everyone, welcome back to Crypto World. Just a really quick video on Spell token. Just to advise that we're in a position that we've seen a few times before where we've wicked above the Ishimoku cloud, come back down, found support with it and bounced off. And as you see now, we've literally just come back to the cloud and wicked at the trend line. As you see, we've been making higher lows, which is great. So we're at a quite pivotal apex. I won't call it an ascending or descending wedge, but it does make that formation. As you can, yeah, really good. We've just started a new hour and just see we've gone green straight away. So what to look for now is holding market structure, not falling below this trend line, breaking free of the Ishimoku, which it does look like we're really trying to. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, so this kind of just follows suit on my expectations for the next couple of hours. So once we've made it to the 2.3, I'm gonna say, yeah, 2.33 zone, probably within the next hour and a half, we should see a really big moonshot. Now, I'm not a moon boy. I like to literally go off of true technical analysis and patterns. However, with Spell, and with the knowledge that this is a finance token, which I'll talk about in a minute as well, when this thing follows this pattern of breaking through the Ishimoku, retesting the support, and then bouncing from it, it tends to make a 40 to 130% move, and I'm talking within 2 or 3 hour time frame. If I just take you back to previous times where we've had a bounce, so yeah, here was one that was a 40% pump where we've literally broken free, come back, retested off the cloud, 40% pump. Back here where we've come back into the cloud, broke free, been away and gone. That I think was about 130% move. Further back in time, won't count this one because we came from below it. Similar situation, back to the cloud, retested, pump nice and high, and further back we go. We'll see more and more examples. Can't use them from when we're below the cloud, but here is a great example where we've broken free. This is essentially the position we're in at the moment, where we've descended back to the cloud, been rejected by, basically stayed above it for a period of 4 hours. On the 5th, pumped higher. That total move there was about 30%. And yeah, I could go further and further. So what we're essentially looking for now, we're in a channel of resistance where the Ishimoku cloud wants us to be above. We want to stay above, but we just need to get through this support zone. Once we clear that, which I expect us to do within the next 90 minutes, and hold us above the 233, yeah, 233 zone, that should see us free of all resistance until 2.6, and gauging on previous movements of this token, where we see between a 40 and 130% moves, I would like to say that we will comfortably shoot beyond the 3 cent range. Might see some very slight resistance here, such as a pump up, slight drawback, and then keep going. And if we keep going, yeah, I don't see 3.6 as being yeah, I think 3.6 would be a fair target if we moon from where we are. If we don't, we're more than likely going to see a slight rejection, which may see us fall back under the cloud, which will put us into this sort of scenario again, where we need to wait a day or two to work our way back through the previous resistance channels. But this to me looks like a very, very good opportunity to go, and following previous behaviors, I kind of expect us to. So once we break free of this resistance point and hold at 233 and get clear of the cloud, we may actually see, I'm going to draw this in now, we may actually see a move from where we are up, back down below it, or retest of that resistance zone, and then away and gone. So yeah, good luck guys. Sorry guys, kind of got like a part 2 on this video because I didn't talk about the finance tokens. So Spell, as you're all aware, is a finance token and has also just given off news yesterday that they're essentially doing a 0% interest loan for anyone who wants to borrow some money. They've got like a 0.5% borrowing fee, and I think it's 4% liquidation. So really good terms for this token. I think we're going to see a lot more money coming into the token and the utilities, due to the fact that they're offering great lending, comparable with any banks or credit lenders I can think of. The terms are tremendous, so the future is really bright for Spell. And also as well, just following trend at the moment, we've got Farm Harvest token. I think everyone's aware that it's just had some really momentous runs over the last few days. What are we looking at in terms of, I mean, wow, the move on Farm, incredible. What's that? There's a 200% pump, and even from the pullback, still looking at like 135%. I did do a little bit of research into this one, and I might do a review video, I might not, but essentially what to look for with this one is a drawback to 130 mark before we move again. So if you are in with Farm, just watch your position. You are back testing some resistance. If that doesn't hold, you probably will draw back to about the 130 zone. The other one to look at is Titano. Just gone on a momentous run, coming up to 0.382, which is going to be a big resistance to try and break free of. If it doesn't and continue its run, then what to look for with Titano would be a drawback to 16.6. If that doesn't hold, we'll come back to 13.4, and if that doesn't hold, we may be coming all the way back down if this is going to be one of those rug pull type of scenarios. However, those are the 2 points to look for. So if we don't break free of where are we, 19.6 and continue, you may see a pullback to 16.5. If that doesn't hold, you're coming back to 13.4. All right, so hope you found this interesting. Remember to like and subscribe, and you'll see a few more videos coming out from me, and Happy New Year.